In this video, I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Wix. So in order to do that, just enter in here the domain name that you want. Now just click on the search option. From this one, just head over and click on this add to cart option. And then once you have added this to your cart, you can head over and click on this checkout button. So what you can do next is to just check out this particular domain and then buy it for yourself. Once you have bought this order, head over it here to your Wix. And then after that is to just scroll down and click on the settings option. Now from your settings right here, you should be able to see the domains. So click on this domains option right here. And then after that, this will load. Now just enter in here the domain that you have purchased from Namecheap and click on this let's go option. Now I don't actually purchase it right now. So what we can do in that case is to just head over and follow the on-screen instructions if you had purchased it already.